Hello, it's me again, and so yesterday I bought some Lego sets. Let me go grab them real quick, or the boxes at least of what they are. So I've got crap. Sorry, I broke my collarbone recently. Well, actually about 2 months ago. Doctor says it's healed, but I'm still on light duty. But pressure on it can still hurt. So I am. Oh, that's better. It's not applying pressure to the bone. So I got this set and this set yesterday. I bought them, and yeah. Well, there's that set all completed and whatnot. It steers, and yeah, when you move it makes stuff spin because there's see there's wheels and whatnot. It's pretty cool, honestly. So yeah, that was this one. I guess it can also turn into an airplane, supposedly. I might try that one at some point after after some time maybe. And then there's that thing, which is used to be this. Kind of boring. It does have linear actuators. Absolutely beautiful. I have linear actuators now. But yeah, this can also become a backhoe, kind of. Pretty nice, I guess. But yeah, so yeah, I made this. So yeah, it goes up and down with these little knobs here. See this little knob? I'll make the whole thing do that and all that. Here, it can spin around. And well, yeah, I did make it. I did in fact make it, as you could see. But yeah, I made something else. I made it better. And there's the old tracks with that. Absolutely enormous turntable. Look at that. Pretty nice. But yeah, I don't remember if I made a YouTube video already on the this part here, this body of this tank thing. But yeah, originally I was trying to make a tank. And yeah, and then I got the excavator. I'm like, what if I motorized this? What if I made it better? And that's what I did. Because, I mean, I already had the tank body. It was all good there. See, look. It's got the scoop. Oh. It's this mode currently driving. This motor is running at the moment. I have to see. Oh. It can scoop stuff. Technically can lift itself up too. But yeah, I made that. Oh, and yeah, that car I made, I had to strip it down to quite literally nothing. There's basically nothing left except part of the body. Hold on. It's off. This is all that's left of the car right there. If I can actually grab it. This is it though. Just that steering bag. Oh yeah, and this thing. That part. But yeah, I had stripped it down because I needed the motors bad. But originally I was planning on making a tank. At some point I might actually make it so that this part can spin. Only problem with that is this controller, the batteries died. I mean, this box still runs and whatnot. It's still got juice in it, you know. But the controller ran out of batteries. And yeah, you guys probably saw how I made a video on my sword right here. But yeah, I'm currently working on a helmet. On a Doomstar helmet. It kind of fits on my head. Kind of. I mean, not very well. And it's a bit weird. Yeah, I can barely see anything, in fact. Ow, fuck. Ow. Ow, ow. But yeah, I was kind of working on a helmet for a while. I'm still technically working on it. Oh yeah, I also went to a Pride Parade this past Sunday? Not this past Sunday, but the Sunday before it, I think. Yeah. Anything else cool? Anything else to update, perhaps? No, I don't think so. But yeah, I plan on doing more stuff with this thing here, with this monstrosity of mine. I'm gonna actually plan on, like, covering it up, you know? Make it so it's not a bare bones creation. Right? Oh yeah, those clicks, you hear that crunching. That's because this is not very well held together. It's held together strong enough, but that's about it. And, yeah. Oh yeah, our stove also broke. I've got the igniter. So basically what happened to our stove was this thing, it doesn't get hot enough to actually ignite the gas anymore. Let me focus it. There. But yeah, I have an igniter. It still works technically. It still heats up, just not hot enough. I might try something stupid with this. You never know. Alright, what the... Ha, nice. And I have this water thing. It's like a water gun shooter. No, it's actually a water balloon filler. Yeah. But yeah, yeah, I mean, I am using it as an air compressor. Yeah, that's kind of all. School's over. Summer break. My collarbone technically is mostly healed. I mean, mostly. We had a gas leak today. That was an interesting time. Yeah, that's about it. Yep. Okie dokie. I will be going now. Like, subscribe, you know, it's free, it doesn't hurt, and it helps the channel quite a bit. I mean, the channel's still relatively small. Alright, well, bye-bye.